Hey Santa Clarita, when was the last time you had your dryer exhaust vent cleaned and your dryer tuned up?
So this is what we like to see in a vent. Daylight, baby.
Now remember guys, it's always much cheaper to maintain your current machines than to replace them. Unless you absolutely have to replace them, then we will let you know. But you're better off maintaining them, making sure they're gonna last a long time.